We grew up dancing in the golden sand.
Who is that?
Lived through nights holding hands. 1,000 stars lit up the sky, but now two hearts caught in a tie. Back from the horizon, homeward bound. Saw his smile, my heart unwound. Torn like fire, eyes of the sea.
I'm talking to you. Who are you?
Yes. I'm you.
Who are you? What's this? What?
You don't know me. You never see me for that side. That day what they call you for the other side, when they call you again. That guy, I mean now. You see? That because of why I go we have fire dressing. You know, I won't come see you today, I mean I go.
Where are AKWABOAH's house?
With me and the AKWABOAH with the other guy, the other for useless guy. That one where they respect.
So AKWABOAH sent you.
Exactly, AKWABOAH he sent me here.
He sent you here.
Yes.
I was on my way out, but since he sent you, I'll give you a seat to talk so that I can leave. I'm in a hurry.
Yes, we talk.
You said AKWABOAH sent you, right?
Exactly, AKWABOAH.
Hey! Please!
Thank you, my dear.
Oh, God.
Shy.
You said AKWABOAH sent you, so what's the message? What is it?
Yes, your house is fine, well.
Thank you. Anyway, so what is it? What?
You fine, well.
Thank you.
You're from America, come. I think.
Yeah.
America, everywhere they fine, I think.
Bro, can you? What is this? You said AKWABOAH sent you, so you when you told me I was on my way out. Better start talking. What's his message? Let me know.
Hey. This one you're speaking like this, this Africa.
That's why I've come down.
Know your grammar so that I will understand you. Hey, I don't know what to say again. Margo, I'm a man now. Talk. Let me go.
What did AKWABOAH say?
Forget AKWABOAH. That one not a stupid person. Leave that guy. Move talk. Woman to man. May I tell you the truth? May I go straight to the point?
What was this accent?
No be accent too. I like you.
You what?
You know say from like we enter love. From love you go to collect them like that.
What's the meaning of that?
Hey. Okay. We go there.
Why Jesus?
That
Excuse
kind
me.
thing.
What's this? Listen, Mr. Man. First of all, you said AKWABOAH sent you. That was the reason that I allowed you to enter here. But it seems that you are deviating from your course. Listen, if you don't have anything to say, you better start leaving because I need to go out. What is it? I like you, I love you, from love you to blah blah blah. Do you even know me?
AKWABOAH debate you. How? AKWABOAH no. He go debate you.
Vet me? What?
No be what you talk here. Say why AKWABOAH debate you.
Oh Jesus Christ.
Don't worry.
They didn't even step into a school. Did you? What's this? I said, if you didn't come here purposely because of AKWABOAH, you better start leaving because I need to go out.
Hey, don't miss your luck, oh. Me. All these girls, many girls for here, they find me. I like you. As I like you now, you're supposed to like me.
I don't like you.
No, don't worry. You go like me. I didn't listen. Just calm down. No, they follow AKWABOAH. They follow me. If they follow me, they do anything. You go get family, you go get friends, you go get. Don't worry. I know say your papa get money. The one where I get pass your own papa. I swear. Don't ignore my look. This look. Nah, Ghana dressing we just dress them. Forget about that. This. No, the fear now. I don't feel bite you now. My hand now. A woman be na be.
Please, I don't like you. Okay? I have someone that I love. I'm in love with someone already.
No, you can't be love. Oh.
And I can't occupy you.
No. God, even for dream, I dey see you. Aye, but if you see what they do for dream, if you see how it's sweet everywhere, they touch, they do, they kiss.
I refuse this in Jesus' name.
No.
Which mass this?
Jesus don't accept them since. If you see what they do for dream, you self for now, for them they hug me, they kiss me.
With this your face and this whole stuff kissing me. Moi, Chelsea. Kissing me.
My face, how my face? I'm a fine boy now.
This is not happening. In fact, you're not saying anything like this.
See what
you better start leaving.
Come, I can go take you out. No, say woman, no, I like money. Come, man. Go.
Listen, I don't want to be rude. You better start leaving right now. ASAP. Okay? I'm in love with AKWABOAH.
Say it.
I said I love AKWABOAH.
I talk am.
You talk?
I talk am. That boy wearing the do as he dey do. I talk am. I hope AKWABOAH never enter that thing. He never enter Jerusalem.
What?
I mean Jerusalem.
What? The one in Israel?
No, AKWABOAH, you don't enter. If that guy, I know. At the time, madam, I uses the other guy, the other my uses God. At the time, I say AKWABOAH, bad character. That guy won't enter. You dey do. I don't like him. I don't like him. I'm not saying like you. So AKWABOAH don't go follow back. Don't enter Jerusalem. I think you don't enter.
Wait, Jerusalem? The one in Israel?
No, here. The heaven.
No, stop that! What is this?
I swear, if that guy don't enter, he go die there. Now tell you go die. What man do, man, now? I tell person, man, go those girl for me. He go turn around, they toast you. So, he don't collect you now. He don't become love again. Hi, I talk I don't fool myself. Now that my useless guy, yo. That Blameless. You supposed to know answer now Blameless. You supposed to answer. That guy. Now I tell him say AKWABOAH, that guy, in life no pure. If you see him they do quiet, you know they do as if they drink, you know they smoke. You know say that guy in the bad. I know. See, don't worry. See that thing what AKWABOAH do. I go come out and for your eye. You go be my girl. You made for me and you alone. Nobody again. AKWABOAH is not your business. Carry it in your head.
Is this by force?
Don't worry. You see that AKWABOAH? I will just finish it out. We will know what's up. Don't worry.
What's this?
Don't worry. That's my shoe. You have my shoe.
Please, you left it outside. Leave.
What AKWABOAH? Wait till I go do am. May you not come close to you again. May you
Did it send you?
No, nobody sent me. Let me send myself.
Left through nights holding hands. 1,000 stars lit up the sky, but now 2 hearts caught in a tie. Back from the horizon, homeward bound. Saw his smile, my heart unwound. Drawn like fire, eyes of the sea.
No. Oh no. Mama wants to drink. Alright. So how would I say?
You forgot to ask me something.
Oh.
Obsami said, Mommy, no. Mommy drink, no. Ujawan kasangu.
See ya now, Kasana say, say,
you know what? Don't mind the way I talk. You know, me, Kwabuchaka, me too,
I know you're feminine, but I know.
Okay, so let me go straight to the point. You know, ever since we came back. Ever since we came back.
Oh, okay.
Like from the States. Have been visiting my friend and sister. I noticed.
Hey, niece. You can talk by Baha. Sure.
Fine. I noticed you are some kind of my spec. You are handsome, so You know, since childhood, we've been playing together, moving around. People were even calling me your wife. You're now a girl. I love everything about you.
Hey, can you stop, please?
Let me tell you something. Look into my eyes. And you should understand what I'm trying to say. Oh, wow. I love you.
Hey, please leave me. So, like, go back. So you want me, right?
Yes, that's exactly what I'm trying to. Oh, Akaba, I truly love you since childhood. And I promise you, you accept me. I'm going to do everything for you. And anything that you need to be happy. I don't mind taking you to the States to be with me. Okay? So baby.
All right, all right.
Please.
Please, it's fine. I hear you. Okay, I but I'll call you. Hmm? Yeah, I'll call you.
Okay, fine. You know what? I just want to leave you alone for you to think about it and digest my offer. Okay, you self you don't have my number. So you know what? Let me give you my complimentary card. So you call me. Okay. Bye. Love you.
All
Aquapoa.
right, bye. Thank you.
Aquapoa.